ginagawa mo?
No, 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 no.
Hi guys, happy Sunday. Kamusta naman ang ating mga Sunday ngayon? So, it's summertime na at kami pupunta ng aking partner sa beach. Sana makaligo kami doon guys. So, ngayon nandito kami sa biyahe. Ayan. At mag-swimming kami guys. Ayan, nasa biyahe kami. Pero nagtayo sa harap niya. So, pupunta kami guys ng Shek o beach. Kasi open na daw siya pero sana allowed na mag-swimming kasi ligong-ligo na talaga ako sa dagat. Namimiss ko na yung dagat. Kaya hindi ako nagpa-street ng buhok kasi sayang. Tapos maliligo sa dagat, diba? So ipapakita ko sa inyo guys ang view mamaya kasi ano to eh, parang sa baba niya is maganda ang view, parang bangin siya bangin. Ayan kilay ko. Wow! Sim kami ng damit ng partner ko. White. Wow, tingnan nyo guys ang view. Guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Cafe de Aguilar, pero ang pupuntahan namin is Chico Beach. Next station dito guys. Summer na talaga. So, pababa na kami guys. Ang daming tao guys.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Palitan mo na yung ano mo, Timas. Summer na talaga. Mangingitim na naman tayo nito. Sige, gala-gala. Ayan guys. Parang ano lang siya sa Subic.
know.